What's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 219. So Michael Carter had a question today, and Michael's question was, Matt, you're awesome. Thanks for all the videos. Appreciate that, Michael. But the real question was, I'm looking to get into events, just unsure about how many decals I should make going into the event. Great question, Michael, because what I did is I actually brought my vinyl cutter to the events. Now, when I started off doing the events, I didn't do this, okay? And I didn't sell much of any. So I brought my basic stuff, my stock stuff, and I sold some. It was cool, right? But there wasn't really that wow factor, that excitement when they were coming to my booth, because I would say, hey, I have a baseball mom, I have a baseball dad, I have a baseball grandma, baseball grandpa, blah, 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 baseball sister, whatever. And where the events really started taking off for me is when I brought the vinyl cutter there. Now, again, I pre-made these ahead of time, okay? So, baseball mom, whatever. But then what I also did is I brought a pretty good amount. Not necessarily meaning a ton of baseball mom ones. This was always my most popular, something that said baseball mom, obviously. But I would bring some gymnastics ones and some basketball and football and everything else, right? Lacrosse, because they have a daughter that's at the baseball tournament that's a gymnast or a cheerleader or whatever else. So not a ton of these, maybe 4 or 5 of my regular sports, but then maybe, let's say, 20 to 30 of the baseball moms. Now, this is after I built these events up to where they were pretty popular, right? But my main goal was selling these completely custom ones. So what was really cool about it is you could get away with selling the complete custom ones for $10, sometimes $12 at an event with your 11 cents in cost, but you're making it right there at the event for them, so it's taking time, right? Where these, they just want a basic baseball mom. Maybe I sell this one for $8 or $10. I was usually like 8 and 10 or 10 and 12 because the completely custom cost a little bit more, right? But that was what was really cool, is they would get so excited being able to pick out for these types, sorry, that was a standard one, but for these type, pick out what baseball player they wanted. They want an outfielder, they want a first baseman, they want it to be for the Sting, and they want Jackson number 20, or whatever it is, right? That's what set me apart. That's what made me different, especially from many other vendors that were at these events that were selling wristbands and necklaces and sunglasses and gloves and whatever. Those are all cool. But I'm selling custom decals to go on the back of your car, and all moms and dads love to support their kids. So they were spending the money on this stuff. So to answer your question, basically, don't make a ton of them ahead of time, because what also happens here in Florida with the humidity and the rain and everything, if these sit out, they get a little bit wet, they kind of start to wrinkle up, they go bad, you can't really sell it to a customer. So I wouldn't say go and knock out 100 of these and bring them there, okay? But I would say, if you can, bring your vinyl cutter to the event, because there were many times where I brought, let's say, 30 baseball moms and I sold out of them. I had to make some more. Or I made some more that night, because the event was Saturday, Sunday. I made some more that night when I got home, if I sold out of them. And if not, okay, how did it go? I only sold 6 of them. Okay, I'll bring the rest. Oh man, I sold 20 of the 25. I better knock out 20 more of these. So hopefully this video helped you out. Hopefully showing you and giving you an idea from experience of doing so many events over the years. I can share some of these cool things and methods that work for my business to grow my business, and hopefully it'll help grow your business. And Michael, hopefully it helps grow your events as well. So thanks for the amazing question, Michael. If you want your question answered, it doesn't mean I'm going to answer all of them, obviously, but comment below if it's a question I think that will help everybody. I will knock it out in an Ask Matt here, and hopefully I can help all of your businesses grow here in 2020. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and don't forget to click that like button, subscribe button, and if you missed yesterday's Ask Matt, it's still over there next to the rhinestone chew. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon tomorrow. Later.